Imagine your iPhone as more than just a phone. What if it became your ultimate productivity partner, a creative genius, and even a mental health supporter? Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's right here in your pocket. In this video, we'll explore the best AI apps for iPhone, highlighting how they can make your life smarter, simpler, and more efficient. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Imagine having a genius in your pocket. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm ideas, write content, and even answer complex questions naturally and engagingly. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who values smooth and intelligent conversations. Beyond writing and brainstorming, you can use ChatGPT for personal development. Ask it to recommend books, create learning schedules, or even practice mock interviews. Its versatility makes it a must-have. 2. Grammarly. Writing emails, essays, or even quick texts. Grammarly ensures every word you type is polished and professional, offering real-time grammar and tone corrections that make a difference. Have you ever sent a text or email and immediately regretted a typo? Grammarly eliminates that worry by working across platforms, from your Messages app to Safari. 3. Siri Shortcuts. Automate daily tasks with Apple's built-in powerhouse. Whether it's sending reminders or controlling smart home devices, Siri Shortcuts saves you time with just your voice. For example, you can create a shortcut that sends your ETA to your partner while starting your driving playlist automatically. It's automation made personal. 4. Notion AI. Organize your life like never before. Notion's AI-powered tools help with task management, content creation, and seamless collaboration. It's the go-to app for students, teams, and creatives. Picture this: you're managing a group project. Notion AI can summarize meetings, assign tasks, and even draft proposals, making collaboration smooth and efficient. 5. Replica. More than an app. It's a companion. Replica's empathetic AI engages in meaningful conversations, offering emotional support whenever you need it. For those who feel overwhelmed or just want to chat without judgment, Replica's ability to learn about you over time makes interactions feel genuine and comforting. 6. Otter.ai. Say goodbye to frantic note-taking. Otter.ai transcribes meetings and lectures in real time, delivering organized, searchable transcripts that save you effort and stress. It's especially useful for students attending online classes or professionals in back-to-back meetings. Bonus tip: pair it with your AirPods for discreet recording during discussions. 7. Lensa AI. Transform your photos into stunning works of art. Lensa AI offers precise editing tools, artistic filters, and easy background adjustments, making it a favorite for social media enthusiasts. Whether you're touching up a LinkedIn profile picture or creating Instagram-ready content, Lensa AI ensures your photos always shine. 8. Elsa Speak. Perfect your English pronunciation with tailored lessons and real-time feedback. Elsa Speak is your go-to for language improvement, whether for work or travel. By focusing on your unique pronunciation challenges, Elsa provides customized feedback that's both effective and encouraging. Imagine practicing for a job interview with confidence. That's what Elsa can help you achieve. 9. Youper. Blend mental health care with AI. Youper tracks your mood, offers guided exercises, and promotes mindfulness, acting as a pocket-sized therapist. With features like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT exercises, Youper helps you understand and improve your emotional health over time. It's a great tool for anyone looking to maintain balance and resilience. 10. Adobe Photoshop Express. Bring professional-grade photo editing to your iPhone. With advanced tools and instant enhancements, this app makes your visuals stand out effortlessly. One standout feature is its ability to remove unwanted objects from photos, perfect for decluttering scenic shots or fixing group pictures. The real beauty of AI is how it enhances our ability to connect, create, and grow. These apps bring out the best in technology while addressing real-life needs. AI apps are transforming our iPhones into versatile tools for productivity, creativity, and well-being. Whether you're automating tasks, refining your writing, or enhancing your photos, these apps can make a huge difference. Imagine having a personal assistant, editor, therapist, and designer all within reach. That's the power of AI on your iPhone. Which app will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this guide to help others unlock the potential of AI. Thanks for watching.